Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another SL Prime video. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. We're gonna make every website you visit get dark mode. Obviously you're gonna need Chrome, so go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. And here we are. I'm gonna open a page with a white background. So here is Android 11 developer preview page. As you can see, still light mode. And now to actually get dark mode, it's actually pretty simple. So what you want to do is just type in Chrome : / flags. And then you can get to this page, and then go ahead and type in dark. Once you typed in dark, all you have to do is just enable the first two settings. Once you've done with that, go ahead and relaunch Chrome, and as you can see next, everything is now in dark mode. Oh, by the way, you may notice the Chrome tabs and themes still dark, so make sure you guys go into settings and then switch it back to dark. And to say thank you to me, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, comment, and of course, see you guys later. Peace out.